This is the planned tasks for the RGA and reflector EVA. EV1 exits the airlock first, wearing red stripes, and EV2 exits second, wearing white stripes. The first task in this EVA is to remove and replace RGA2 in the S0 truss location. EV1 will be working on the back side of the truss. They will carry the new RGA to the worksite, remove the bolts and connectors, and then pull the old RGA out. EV2 will be positioned inside the truss to assist with removing the electrical connections and the bolts. They will then put the new RGA in place. Once the RGA R&R is complete, EV2 will move to the Node 2 Zenith docking port to remove and replace the planar reflector. EV2 will remove 3 bolts in order to remove the planar reflector. They will then put the new one in its place and bolt it back down. Before leaving the worksite, EV2 will take photos of the new reflector and its surrounding area. Meanwhile, EV1 will be working on the nicer payload located on the S3 outboard truss. EV1 will be installing wedge-shaped patches from the caddy to cover the damaged areas of the light detectors. Once complete, they will then take photos to confirm the configuration is correct. EV1 will then move to the AMS worksite to move a C2V2 cable to allow access to the payload. Once both crew members meet up at the AMS worksite, EV1 will ingress the truss to access the AMS patch panel and then remove the cloth covering. EV1 will then do fit checks to determine what connectors are easily accessible for future upgrades. Once complete with their tasks, both crew members will then go back to the airlock and ingress, marking the end of the RGA and reflector EVA.
Subscribe for more space.